Welcome back. James Bond celebrated its 50th anniversary on Friday. Since 1958, 22 films of James Bond have been shot. We bring before you the making of the 23rd film, Skyfall. Skyfall is due for release lately. Daniel Craig would be playing the James Bond role. It's a spy thriller, a scarce on plot details. It's a 007 movie. We show you the latest movie making of Skyfall. Watch it.
It's exciting. I mean, I've spent most of my life living in London, and I think the most difficult thing about shooting in London is to try and find a way of shooting it that it's not a particularly photogenic city, and to give it a mood and atmosphere and a sense of threat or sense of personality, because it's such a varied city. That's been a challenge.
We were going to shoot in London. We had to see parts of London we hadn't seen before, and also use the iconography. Well, probably more than you would be able to do in most movies, because Bond opens a few doors, so we got the chance to close down Whitehall. We've used the London Underground and closed down tube stations and things.
Eve is a field agent. She's very capable. She kind of sees herself as Bond's equal. She's not, but that's how she sees herself.
Concept and design aspects, also construction, set decorating, all of those elements are part of what you'll see in the film, and it comes in many ways. The location department as well too is included, because if we can't find a location that works, then we have to build it on stage.
I think it's very exciting if you actually do go out and in places that are the real thing.
We tend to shoot in the more expected areas, but I hope in unexpected ways and from unexpected angles. So we are in Whitehall, and we are on Vauxhall Bridge and on the Embankment.
And now news from sports. Defending champions Dempo Sports Club began the new I-League season with a victory in the opening match. Armando Colasso's side beat Churchill Brothers by 2-1 in a close encounter at the Nehru Stadium in Fatorda on Saturday evening. New signing Ruiji Suoka was the hero for Dempo as the Japanese forward scored 2 goals. Dempo's former midfielder Beto had scored the equalizer for Churchill just after the half-time interval before Suoka won it for Dempo.
Dempo and Churchill Brothers, it's the opening day of I-League action here. This will be the best place to watch the I-League during the course of the coming season. There's the captain, Roberto Silva, introducing his side. Maybe a little bit it's all about momentum, as I said earlier on in the first game, as the balloons disappear into the wonderful late afternoon sky. Ruiji Suoka pounces on what is a gift by Sodip Nandi. What an easy opportunity. There you see. What was he doing? Sandeep Nandi just being shoved. Manages to hold off the challenge. Here's an empty off the post. Bilal. And yes, it was. Steven Diaz. Was he flagged offside? The Dempo player last. It was a great run by Lenny and a good pullback as well. Well, yes, he is. But this is a bright start for Churchill. Tomba! Punched away, and Beto to follow up. There is the equaliser that Churchill Brothers have been looking for. And a wonderful controlled finish by Beto. A captain's finish, it has to be said. Oh, 2 changes apiece for Dempo and Churchill. Pereira, that's a good ball from Pereira, and an even better finish from Ruiji Suoka.
Sporting Clube de Goa have some serious problems going into their first match of the I-League season. The Flaming Orange could be without the services of all of their foreigners for the first few matches. Influential skipper Keita and Ogba Kalu are out with injuries, while striker Bong Bertrand is packing his bags after failing to perform. Moreover, the fourth foreigner spot is still not filled and looks like Sporting will face an uphill task against East Bengal on Sunday. Keita and Ogba is once again expected to carry the defensive burden this season, but the Guinea defender is battling with injury.
But for the beginning, we have some little problem about the players, like injuries problem. But anyway, we trust our friends. Hope they will do well. Then the upcoming game we will be ready for it. Especially like me, I have a new injury for that now, and Kalu also is having like fever, and we like almost playing like without foreigners for this first game. So it will be a little difficult for us.
Keita says it's not going to be easy this season as Kalu and he are carrying injuries, while Bong Bertrand is being sent home after poor performances and the Asian slot still unfilled.
Yeah, but right now about our foreigners, the third and fourth foreigner, I don't have any idea about it because of there's something that I don't understand about the team. But the other foreigner, the striker who was playing for us, I don't know about his situation, and we need to get one Asia player. Still, we do not confirm any player, so I hope they can get some player because we need a foreigner.
So it's going to be tough then?
Yeah, without foreigners it will be tough for us, So we need like Asian player and one more foreigner like that who can help us.
And in the I-League it will be even tougher then if you don't have...
this year it will be tough because almost all the other teams they complete their foreigners. So we have to complete our foreigners also.
Meanwhile, Mohammad Ali is being looked at a bright prospect and could lead the side in Keita's absence.
It's not like so difficult if we concentrate and if we give our hard work. So it's gonna be a better, and we will show our best in our game. So it's not like big issue. So we are not gonna consider big player or small player. We are just gonna be the same. And in our training we are just taught that. So never consider all players are the same. 11 versus 11, we play the same. We play a normal game and simple game, and we're gonna go further.
When you defend, you will be with Keita in the defense. How is that first of all? And given the injuries with him and Kalu and the other new players coming in, is it going to be tough to gel with the foreign players?
It will not that, but it will be little because 1 year, last year, I've already been like with him, so I've little understand with him. So we will, but like little trouble will be there. So we have to because we don't have any choice. So we'll do our best. With senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari, sports reporter Nikhil Pereira from Panji. If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Have a great weekend up ahead. Goodbye.
Tumi Poritat Prudent. You're watching Prudent.